Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, INFINIX Hot and now I'm gonna show you how to set up free VPN and how to install free VPN on this device. Firstly, we need to check how websites see our location without VPN. So open your web browser and open 2ip.io website. Scroll down, as you can see I'm in Poland and it's true, but now open Play Store and find here Turbo VPN. Find the app with a rabbit on the icon and click install. Now click open, agree, click on the cross, and cool. Now we can choose the country we want to connect to, or I suggest you use smart location button, and because using this button you will be connected to the fastest and nearest VPN server. Now open web browser to check how websites see your location now, and as you can see I'm in United Kingdom now. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye! See you.